Hey everyone, in 2025, Apple's AirPods lineup has gone next level. Whether you want earbuds for everyday use, workouts, or premium immersive audio. Today we're diving into the AirPods Pro 3, AirPods 4, AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation, and the AirPods Max, testing them in real-world scenarios so you know exactly which fits your lifestyle. From commuting to calls to gaming, we've got you covered. The AirPods Pro 3 are all about focus and clarity. The ultra-low noise microphones combined with advanced computational audio remove more background noise than ever, letting you zone in or block the world out completely. Apple redesigned the ear tips with 5 sizes, including XXS, so they fit snugly in every ear while improving acoustic performance. Calls are crystal clear thanks to voice isolation, perfect for crowded buses or busy cafes. The adaptive audio feature combines active noise cancellation and transparency mode intelligently, letting your music, calls, and surroundings blend naturally without sounding artificial. And conversation awareness is a game changer. It lowers the volume automatically when someone speaks to you, then restores it when the conversation ends. These features make the Pro 3 earbuds feel smart, intuitive, and genuinely useful in daily life. Next up, the AirPods 4 wireless earbuds are perfect if you want a lightweight, all-purpose option. These earbuds use the H2 chip for effortless setup and stable connections, while personalized spatial audio makes music and movies feel more immersive. They're sweat and water resistant, ideal for workouts or unpredictable weather, and the new USB-C charging case is faster and more convenient. With up to 30 hours of battery life, they easily last through a full day of commuting, calls, and binge listening sessions. These are simple, reliable, and perfect if you want great audio without overcomplicating things. If you want the same AirPods 4 experience but with advanced noise control, the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation are next level. ANC lets you completely block distractions, while adaptive audio intelligently balances noise cancellation with transparency mode. So whether you're on a noisy train or just want to focus at your desk, these earbuds adjust in real time to your environment. Calls stay crisp with voice isolation, and all your favorite audio feels punchier and more immersive. Essentially, it's everything you love about AirPods 4, but smarter and more situationally aware. Finally, the AirPods Max are for the premium over-ear experience. They pack active noise cancellation that shuts out the world completely, and transparency mode that lets you hear just enough to stay aware. Personalized spatial audio and Dolby Atmos create a cinematic experience whether you're watching movies, gaming, or just enjoying your playlist. Build quality is solid. The memory foam ear cups and stainless steel frame make them feel durable yet comfortable for long sessions. If you want immersive sound, long-term comfort, and high-end features that go beyond regular earbuds, the Max is unmatched. After smart earbuds, all-day companions, advanced noise control, or premium over-ear sound, Apple's 2025 AirPods lineup has something for everyone. From commuting to gaming to work from home calls, these AirPods aren't just headphones, they're an audio experience built for your life.